Hello YouTube, my name is Froilan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're going to do a performance review of the Engineered garments, New Balance 990 V5, so stick around. Before we do the performance review, may I just remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your own size. Please check all the mechanics in the description box down below. Last month we did the unboxing of this shoe for you guys. Yesterday we did the on-feet review. Today we're going to do the performance review. I know that in today's standards, this is not a performance running sneaker anymore. But when it was first released in 1982, yes, the V1 was released in 1982. It was one of the best running shoe that you can buy. It actually has one of the highest or one of the most expensive running shoes at that time. So it has back then it has a lot of groundbreaking technology. It was considerably light and it was one of the best running shoe that you can get for competition or for events. And now we have the fifth version of the 990, and the only difference between the regular 990 V5 and this one and this collaboration is the leather paneling all over. So they have textured leather and they put an asymmetric look. So that means the leather panelings are the color of the leather panelings is different from this one. So that's the only difference. So first I tried walking in them, maybe for like three and a half kilometers, and there's no breaking in period. So the moment I wear them, it felt a little stiff, but after like a few hundred meters, it was all right. It was okay, and it felt the same all the way through the walking, all the way through the workout and the sprinting and the running. So it felt really good right off the box. And as I mentioned on my on-foot review, it felt really flexible right away. Cushioning is good, not too soft, but very comfortable. Very firm on the heel part, and a little softer on the forefoot area, but not too soft, just enough to give you a comfortable platform. And the upper felt good, no rubbing anywhere, no hot spots. And I usually feel hot spots when I run for like an hour, but I only run on them for about 20 minutes, 15 minutes run, then 5 minutes walk. So no hot spot, no rubbing anywhere. So it felt good. Now during the workout, I did a lot of push-ups, jumping, and sprinting. So it felt really secure. So the forefoot area is very flexible right off the bat. So there's no problem there. Upper is flexible, but it gives you that foot containment, and felt really good during the jumping part and sprinting part. My feet didn't move at all, like it didn't slip and slide inside, and the heel containment is very good as well. So you actually will feel that when you sprint really fast, then you suddenly change direction. And this one, like, it felt good. It was very stable, and I was very confident while sprinting on them. So can you use this for working out regularly? So I think yes. It will definitely last long. The construction on this is very durable, and you have that performance in there. So the upper is slightly padded, so it gives you comfort. The cushioning is also good. Stability good. The only thing about this is it's a little heavier than your modern or current line of running shoes. But if you don't mind that extra weight, this could perform with the best of them. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. And if you have any comments and suggestions, please use the comment section down below. And again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.